Okay, yeah, welcome. So in today's class, we're going to show you how you use a pivot table to analyze reports. So what you do here is have your data, have your table like this, and you can come to your the first click. Make sure your mouse is on your first cell here. Then come to your insert here. Then come and click on your pivot table. Then it will highlight the table range for you. So if this table range that you highlighted is not properly highlighted for you, you can also highlight it by yourself. Just highlighting all of them by yourself. So now, where do you want your report to be? Okay, I mean, design my report should be here. So you can just click on existing worksheet. So what is the table range? The location where you want your report to be. If I want the report to be on J3, this is J3, just click on J3. So it will be like this. You will click on that cell J3, then press OK. So now these are pivot table. So now in this record now you can now analyze the report now. So if you are working for the month and you want to know the total days and total unit and total price based on month category, what you do here is to come and click here month. You can just click on it or you can drag it. So you can just click here like this to show you the month based on total. So if you want to have the days, so now clicking like this is giving me a report, but I don't like the way the report is coming out. So click on it. So what you can do is a month. One can be on your row. So just click drag it to your row. So now to show you the list of the month. So if you want the price for it, you can click here, let it be on the value, which is the price. You can click on it or you can drag it. Discount, you can just drag it here and put it inside. So it have the price. So now it's showing me the filter for month, week, and if I want this unit also, I can drag it here and to give me the report. So I'm having a report right now based on the month, the price, the discounts, and the unit. This is the kind of report you also get using your sum if functions to analyze the report. So it is more fastest way of getting your report done. So this is the sum price. Then if you wanted to change the, instead of getting the month, you want to put it on sales rep, it will show the issue of the sales rep and amount, their price, their discounts, and their unit. You can fill on it and you can click on maybe based on region, click on region. So now if I just click it here, automatically it will be on the sum value, but this is a category that is supposed to be on either your row or in your column. So now if you want it to be on your row, you can just drag it and put it here. It will give you the region list here and your amount based on the price, discounts, and units. And if you are dragging it to this axis here, you can also drag it, instead of dragging it to this axis here, you can drag it to this column place here. That means to be on the column way. So it will be like a name feeder on this aspect of column. So it's more better that we drag this filter report based on our role to have it on a tabular form like this. So and that is it. So you can also do much more to this. Like for example, now this is the price. This is the price of both the region and the amount. So now you can change it to over average or maximum. They get your maximum, minimum, all this kind of stuff. You can get those reports here by highlighting it. Then right click on it. You can still sort by show value as what. So you cannot determine the summarized value as what. Is it count? If it was your count, it will count number of calendars. Mexico region, it's going to count it for you. You can also summarize by average. It will give the average of each one of them, one after the other. So you can also summarize value by product or mini, maximum or minimum. Minimum of each one of them. This is the minimum of each one of them. So you can summarize value by sum. So it will also give you the sum of each one of them. So that's how we use a pivot table. Hope that is clear. So that is good. So